I took me daddy's tired of the shit you got. Better believe it. Take care of your man. I'm just saying. I don't take nobody's man. I don't want nobody's leftovers. Although you always get somebody's leftovers, I would never take a man from nobody. But anyways, that's besides the point. Yeah, no, you don't tell me, oh, this girl's in her towel and blase, whatever. I am quite aware of it. I'm just coming out of the shower. I'm just coming from work, and for me to sleep, I have to bathe before I sleep. It makes me feel fresh, keeps your sheets clean. Um, you gotta shower before you go to bed. But anyways, this video really, I have nothing to really say in it. It's just I want to make a video. Decided I'd make one. So I'm gonna tell you about myself. I didn't really tell anybody about myself. I just given like an introduction, but not everything. Everyone calls me Jasmine, but my real name is Sharifa. What else? I'm 24 years old. My birthday is December 21st. Yeah, so I'm a Christmas baby. I get gypped every year, except for my mama. My mama and my sister, I don't get gypped. Everyone else gyps me. But anyways, yeah. So I have a younger sister. She is, wow, this is so bad. I'm 24, so she's 22. She'll be turning 23 in January. That's a lie. In June. I can't believe I just did that. But anyways, yeah, she's turning 23 in June. She's pregnant right now, so I'm gonna be auntie. She's gonna be having a girl, so her due date is February the 19th, but she can go any day now. We think she's having it on the 15th. What else? I live in Toronto. I still love my mama. Yeah, I know, so don't tell me. I know, a big 24-year-old woman that's still living with her mama, but anyways, it's okay. What else? I'm a hairstylist. I love what I do. I do very, very good at what I do. More times you'll see me in my bed looking cruff, but that's me just coming in from work, face washed off. I don't really care what I look like on the camera, so yeah. That's when everything comes to my head, so that's when I decided to make a video. And I have a man. You'll see it in my long distance video. I've talked about him. He lives in Jamaica. We're in the midst of either me going in there in April, because I had lost my passport and my birth certificate. So if anybody knows how fun that is trying to get back, so let's put a little pause on that. So if not, then he might come up here, which would be easier. My background is my mama. She was born in England, so I'm part British, Jamaican, and Cuban. My dad's Jamaican and Cuban, but he was raised in Jamaica. So I'm a little mixture. What else? Hobbies? I don't really have so much hobbies. I'm always working. If you ask any one of my friends, they always call me and be like, what are you doing? I'm like, I work. So they think I don't have big of a life. I go out on the weekends when I can, if I'm able to tolerate the next day of going to work with about an hour of sleep in me. What else? I don't know, that's about it. Like I said, my life isn't all that crazy. Well, at least not right now. It's not all that crazy, but we'll see what has to come. That's about it. I'm gonna make a video in a little bit after I actually like put on clothes. I lotion up my skin. You gotta lotion your skin. Hate dry skin. If that's one of my biggest turnoffs. Hate a nigga coming up to me with his dry lips. I hate that. But anyways, yeah. So I'll make a video in a couple minutes about an actual topic. So I don't know. See you guys then. All right. Mwah. Later.